guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going back on the grind for that barge accessory bag. As you know, last time we got a new accessory and we also got a rare job, which is the Ender Armor. And yeah. So, first of all, where there we go, there it is. Hurtful, but I don't want hurtful. I think forceful is good. Okay. No, pretty. There we go. Forceful. Now we have more strength. Okay. Wait. Wait, how much longer do I have my God Pod for? 10 hours? That is so much. Okay. So let's just grind salads, I guess. Well, actually, nah. We're mining this video. We are mining. Let's go to the deep caverns and start mining. Wait. Okay, there we go. Who came first? Me or this lapis guy? Oh no. Okay, there we go. I need to mine a lot. I need to mine a lot of redstone. Okay. Basically, we're just going to mine this entire video. Dude, this titanium pickaxe is broken. Okay. We can even get a lot of money by doing this. I think we're gonna get at least 30,000 by doing this. Okay. Why did it only destroy one block? Okay, who cares? Where is the, oh, there we go. You don't try to fight me. I have 2 bats protecting me. That sounds so weird. Like, literally, those 2 bats are literally chasing the zombie pigmen, but from behind. And they literally respawn every 2 seconds. Oh, there we go. There's a lot of redstone in this area. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, this fruitful enchantment, this fruitful reforge is not that good. Okay, there we go. Let's get a lot. Okay. Okay, there we go. That is a lot of redstone. Okay. Okay. been literally 5 minutes right now of me literally mining. Okay, let's mine a few more. And one more ore and we're done. No, one more. Now we're done. Okay, now let's just enchant them all into the enchanted form. No, craft them to the enchanted form. And yes, we got 2. There we go. And another 2. And one more. And there we go. And as well, let's get one enchanted cobblestone. Okay. There we go. 1. Okay. Ooh. That is a lot of stuff. Okay, boom. There we go. Why is it not breaking? Okay. Boom. Let's get more. Okay, there we go. Dude, I didn't think making money was this easy. I mean, we do have a god pot, but still. Okay. Dude, look at how fast I can mine stone. Like, look at this. Wait, let me find a flat area like this. Like, look. Can literally just go like this. 3, 2, 1. That is so fast. Okay. Who cares? We can't distract ourselves. Okay, there we go. Put that away and just focus on the redstone. That's the only thing we care about right now. That is redstone. Okay. We need fortune, I think. Like, fortune would speed this, like, up by a lot. Wait, do we already have? No, we only have because the fruitful bonus. And also when we mine titanium. But right now we're mining redstone. We do have a lot of levels. Yeah, wait, let me craft a few more, enchanted redstone, and then we're going to go to the hub and enchant it. Okay. Boom. There we go. And even more. Done. Now let's just go to fast travel to the hub, and yes. No, we don't want to sell all of it. Let's just sell the stone. Boom. Now we are going to go here. Put our pickaxe in, and oh, I need to go on my island, because here I don't have bookshelf power. Boom. Jump right in. Okay. There we go, fortune. There you go, fortune 3. Now, I think that's going to speed up the process a lot. Okay, I almost fell. But, nah. We gotta grind a little bit more. Let's see now how faster this is with fortune. Like, I already know. Yeah, see, that's way better than before. Okay. Boom. We're already at a stack. So we'll just keep mining, I guess. Okay. Oh my god, guys, I am so dumb. Why am I doing this with my good arms? Can literally do this with my mining. Like, it's way faster. Yeah, it's way faster. Okay. Yeah, this is way faster. Okay, boom. Dead. Okay, you're dead as well. So let's just craft it, I guess, and I guess that's it for today's video. Okay. Go to fast travel, hub. First of all, let's put all of that redstone in our storage. There we go, right here. Like, that is good. That is a lot of redstone, I'd say. Okay, so basically that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you have a nice day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I guess see you next time. Peace.